Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first book review and I have picked this book. जो देखी तो सबने but पढ़ी किसी ने नहीं है. So if you already have this book on your shelf but haven't read it, I'm going to share why I chose to read this book and how it helped me. So let us first have a look at the cover. It's a very small book and very neat and a pretty cover जिस पे ज़्यादा bold या फिर कुछ vibrant colors नहीं है. So it's very nice. And इसका title भी आप देखोगे तो it says Ikigai and the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. So this book is for those जिनको एक happy and long and healthy life चाहिए. So there's that. Then if you look at the back of the book, यहाँ पे एक Venn diagram है, which I'm not going to explain. But what most people don't know is it's not a traditional Japanese concept. वो तो राइटर्स ने बस नॉन जापानीज रीडर्स को समझाने के लिए बनाया है for us to understand what is ikigai. So it's not something that Japanese follow. So अगर हम इस बुक के राइटिंग के बारे में बात करें तो it is very simple and it's easy to understand. So it's perfect book for beginners जिनको मोटिवेशन चाहिए because it does not feel overwhelming. So instead of telling you to completely change your life, it encourages us to make small changes. बुक के बारे में जानने से पहले थोड़ा ऑथर्स के बारे में जान लेते हैं. This book is written by two authors, जो कि जापानीज भी नहीं है.
What?
They just spent a few years in a village called Okinawa in Japan, and they were so fascinated by the people and their life because those people were healthy, they were driving, they were having hobbies and enjoying their lives even at the age of 88. They got so curious that both of them decided to learn their ways. And वो सीखने के बाद उन्हें ऐसा लगा that they should share this with the whole world. So coming to the book. Although this book was published in March 2016, it somehow remains relevant even a decade later. Which is why I'm going to reintroduce this book to the Gen Zs who are trying to find their Ikigai. Let us first understand what is Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese concept that roughly translates to the happiness of always being busy. सुनने में थोड़ा weird लगा, right? So let's see ये Japanese concept हम Indians पे काम आता है या नहीं. So basically, this book focuses on the stuff that apparently we've been doing wrong. मतलब खाना भी गलत तरीके से खा रहे थे हम लोग अभी तक. Because according to this book, people should stop eating when they start feeling full. इनका एक रूल होता है कि 80% तक ही खाना खाना है, पेट दबा के खाना नहीं है. And this is exactly why if you look at the Japanese cuisine, they have food in smaller portions. उनके टेबल ऐसे सजे हुए होते हैं and they don't stuff themselves. अब आप लोग बोलोगे कि ये क्या कह दिया, खाना कम करने के लिए कह दिया, डाइटिंग करने के लिए कह दिया, हम इंडियन से हमसे तो नहीं होगा. But wait, और भी है. They don't just focus on healthy eating but also yoga. वैसे तो योगा का ओरिजिन इंडिया है but it is widely popular in Japan. Japanese people don't just focus on healthy body but having an active mind is equally important to them. This is why this book explains that by doing the same things over and over again and following the same boring routine makes our brain lazy. So it is important to challenge our mind from time to time. So the people in Okinawa have a very simple rule. They try to find something that is a combination of four things. One, what you're good at. Two, what you love to do. Three, what the world needs. And last, what we can be paid for. अगर आप कुछ ऐसी चीज ढूंढ लो जो ये सारी चीजों का एक कॉम्बिनेशन है, that means आपको अच्छी इकिगाई मिल गई है. So basically, Ikigai is not a quick self-help book, but it is a gentle reminder that the purpose of our lives already exists. We just need to notice it. So इस वेन डायग्राम के बारे में मैं एक छोटी सी चीज बताना चाहूंगी. ये जो डायग्राम है which represents the Ikigai, जहाँ पे passion, mission, profession and vocation involved है. I know it can be a little bit discouraging because आज के ज़माने में ये सब achieve करना can be a challenge. So instead of forcing to find something that covers all of this, हम लोग try करें कि जो possible है, जितना possible है, उतना ही करेंगे एंड विल ट्राई टू फाइंड हैप्पीनेस इन दो स्मॉल थिंग्स बिकॉज इकिगाई का मीनिंग ही है द रीजन ऑफ बीइंग and the purpose of life. So our purpose of life should be living in the moment and being happy. So this book is a great option to the beginners of all age groups. But I would highly recommend it to the teenagers and the Gen Zs because we all know you guys have it hard. सोशल मीडिया का जो कांस्टेंट इन्फ्लुएंस है एंड देयर इज दिस कंपटीशन एंड द एटीट्यूड ऑफ हैविंग इट ऑल मेक्स योर लाइफ टफ. So ये book read करने के बाद I'm sure you'll try to slow down and enjoy the moments and you'll try to find happiness in smaller things. So this is it guys. This was my take on Ikigai. जो भी मैंने कहा आई नो वो कुछ भी न्यू या फिर सीक्रेट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. इट वॉज ऑल बेसिक बट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड that we fail to follow the most basic rules of life, that is eating healthy, sleeping well and not worrying. अगर ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आपको जरा सा भी पॉजिटिव एंड एनकरेज्ड फील हुआ है then please do read the book and let me know if you like it. Also, if you like my videos, please do like and share the videos and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.